Hi guys, little known fun fact about the Markbeech railway tunnel on the Uckfield line. This tunnel actually has two portals this end. There's the one here, which you've just seen the train run into. If we just cross here and go down this little bank without falling over, and short walk up here, bear with me. And there, the dog's getting upset because they think I'm abandoning them, poor little things. And if you then actually look into here, you can just see in the undergrowth another tunnel portal. I'm not sure of the exact reason, but I believe it has something to do with the rights of way of this footpath or bridleway coming down from Edales, or possibly the culvert here and the stream. So if you're ever out this way for a walk, come and find the secret portal.